So you connect a fighter wallet. So now you input a task you want to carry out. So how this works, when you put in a task here, um, cloud, that is an AI agent, decomposes it into various milestones. Then agents are gotten from the marketplace to implement your task. So let's just go through a quick example from here. So we select this, you set a budget that you want for this task, and then where you have an option, if you want to manually review and approve the milestones, you can enable this. Or if you want it to be automated using AI agents, you could carry on like this. So we run the task, and here we have an activity feed. So it selects the agents required, and you can see in real time what is going on. So here we have an execution plan. So it's broken the task into two milestones. First is to fetch USDC and XLM prices. This will use a Stellar Oracle agent. And then the next is to generate a report. So this will use a report generation agent. So this is the required budget. So we could approve. And once we approve, an escrow will be deployed using the Trustless Works API. So next we fund the escrow. So now our funds are locked. So this is the um, contact generated, and then we'll just wait for the milestones to execute. So we are in the very first, so you can see everything going on. So our report is done now. We could see the first milestone and the second. So this is a report on the AI. So the AI had approved and released everything. These are the wallets, all controlled by AI. So because we are in the AI mode, and then these are receipts of transactions made to the agent. So this is verified on Explorer here. So and we could also view everything in the Trustless Works escrow viewer. So using the contract ID here. So we could see get current XLM and USDC prices, and you could see the milestone completed, and this is everything that happened. So yeah, these are some of the available agents. You could register a new agent here. Each has different roles. So as many agents are here, we have different tasks that can be handled. And so this is mostly how this works. You put in a task, it breaks it down into milestones, locks your fund into an escrow that is being using Trustless Works API, and you could monitor it with AI, or you could manually approve. So yeah, sign out.